Greetings. Tired of slow downloads and bulky files? What if you could shrink your files without losing quality and do it faster than ever before? Traditional compression tools like 7-zip, WinRAR, WinZip, etc. provide basic file compression, storage, and transfer capabilities, but with significant drawbacks. Slow processing speeds, limited format support, and quality degradation in lossy compression make them inefficient for modern needs. Well, the wait is over. Meet the ZipKing, the ultimate hypercompressor. A powerful new player and game changer in the world of file compression. ZipKing is the ultimate AI-powered compression tool, combining file compression, extraction, and optimization into one seamless solution. Search for ZipKing on Google. Open the official website link. Click Try Free to download the setup file. Run the setup. Select Customize to change the installation location. Click Install Now to begin the installation. Press Start to launch the application. The ZipKing's interface is intuitive and user-friendly, making the navigation effortless. Let's explore the basic features of ZipKing. This 93 megabyte sample video file will be compressed using ZipKing. Right-click the file and choose Add to Highly Compressed File. The whole process will be completed within seconds. A summary will appear after the compression is done. Right-click the compressed folder and choose one of the extraction options. Just a few seconds and done. Want even more flexibility? Try these operations in the app's interface for full control. Click File Management. Browse files on your computer. Select a file or folder to perform an action. Click the Home page icon to return to the main interface of the application. Stay tuned. Exciting ZipKing updates coming soon.